on a Friday, this shit was crazy. Long distance FaceTiming with the lady. Picked up the phone, what's up, I'm good, you good, I'm good, not much. But I noticed something was wrong. Can't even look me in the eyes. Got a tracker on your phone, I know that you've been telling lies. Got the passwords to your shit, I see you texting other guys. I got all the proof I need, so why even deny? Who'd you fuck? It's on my head, you have to tell me I can't give it up. No, I think about it every day. I cannot go to sleep. I need to save my heart hurts in the worst possible way. You came first, but now we have to go our separate ways. And then I went and took you back. My boy said I was crazy, that you'd do it again, and that you'd manipulate me. I didn't listen, thought that I